Law 1. Never try to outshine the one above you. A wise person does not compete with every shadow. If someone leads, let them feel respected instead of threatened. People support those who make them feel secure, not those who constantly try to prove they are better. Real strength does not need applause. A calm mind knows when to step forward and when to stay quiet. Example, a student who respects a teacher often learns more than the one who always tries to show he knows everything. Law 2. Trust carefully, not blindly. Friendship is valuable, but blind trust is dangerous. People sometimes change because of envy, pride, or personal gain. Judge people by their actions, not by the titles they hold in your life. Even someone who once opposed you may become loyal if they choose honesty over pride. Example, a former rival who earns your trust through consistent actions can become more dependable than a careless friend. Law 3. Keep your purpose quiet. The Stoic does not announce every plan. Speaking too early invites opinions, distractions, and resistance. Work in silence. Let your results explain your purpose. Example, instead of telling everyone about a new goal, quietly improve every day until your progress speaks for itself. Law 4. Speak less, say more. Words have value only when they carry wisdom. The more you talk, the easier it becomes to lose control of your message. A calm person listens first and speaks only when necessary. Example, during an argument, the quiet person often appears stronger than the one who keeps talking. Law 5. Protect your character. Your character is your greatest possession. It takes years to build and only moments to damage. Live with honesty, discipline, and consistency. When your actions match your words, people trust you without being asked. Example, a person known for keeping promises earns respect wherever they go. Law 6. Let your presence be remembered. Do not seek attention through noise. Stand out through discipline, wisdom, and calm confidence. People remember those who bring value, not those who demand notice. Example, in a room full of loud voices, the person who speaks with clarity is often remembered the most. Law 7. Value every helping hand. No one succeeds alone. Accept help with gratitude and recognize the effort of others. True strength is knowing how to build together while remaining humble. Example, a successful leader always appreciates the people who helped make success possible. Law 8. Master patience. Patience gives you control. Do not chase every opportunity. Often, waiting with discipline brings better results than acting with emotion. A peaceful mind never rushes. Example, an investor who waits for the right moment often succeeds more than one who acts out. Law 9. Let actions be your argument. People may question your words, but they cannot ignore your actions. Instead of trying to win every debate, live in a way that proves your beliefs. Example, rather than telling others you are disciplined, wake up every day and do the work. Law 10. Protect your inner peace. Your surroundings shape your mind. Constant negativity weakens even a strong spirit. Spend more time with people who inspire growth, gratitude, and wisdom. Example, one hopeful friend can lift your spirit, while constant negativity slowly drains your energy. Law 11. Become valuable through service. Freedom comes from becoming useful. Build skills that allow you to solve problems and improve the lives of others. When your value is real, opportunities naturally follow. Example, a person who consistently helps others becomes someone people respect and remember. Law 12. Practice honest kindness. Kindness should come from character, not from a hidden purpose. Honesty, generosity, and compassion create trust that cannot be forced. Example, a simple act of helping someone without expecting anything in return often leaves a lasting impact. Final reflection. A Stoic does not chase power over others. He seeks power over himself. Control your thoughts. Guard your character. Speak with purpose. Act with patience. Build quiet strength every day. The strongest person is not the one who controls the crowd, but the one who has mastered his own mind. Law 13. Understand what motivates people. People are often moved by what matters to them. If you seek support, Understand their needs before asking for help. A Stoic does not expect rewards for past kindness. He gives freely and asks wisely, respecting that every person has their own interests. Example, when working on a project, explain how your idea benefits everyone, not just yourself. Law 14. Observe more than you speak. Wisdom begins with careful observation. Listen closely, ask thoughtful questions, and pay attention to what people reveal through their actions. The person who understands others rarely needs to force outcomes. Example, in a conversation, listening patiently often teaches you more than speaking for 10 minutes. Law 15. End conflict completely within yourself. The hardest enemy is not another person, but your own anger, fear, and resentment. Do not leave small habits of bitterness alive. Remove them completely before they grow stronger. Example, instead of holding onto an old insult, let it go and protect your peace of mind. Law 16. Value silence and absence. You do not need to be everywhere to matter. Constant attention weakens your presence. When you step away with purpose, people value your time and your words more. Example, a leader who speaks only when necessary often gains more respect than one who talks every day. Law 17. Stay flexible. Life is always changing. A wise person adapts instead of becoming trapped by routine. Calm flexibility is strength because it keeps your mind ready for every situation. Example, when your plans suddenly fail, adjust without complaining and move toward another solution. Law 18. Do not isolate yourself. Solitude builds wisdom, but complete isolation weakens judgment. Stay connected with people who encourage growth, honesty, and virtue. Strong relationships make difficult times easier. Example, a person who seeks good advice from trusted friends usually avoids many unnecessary mistakes. Law 19. Treat every person with respect. Each person thinks differently and carries unseen struggles. The Stoic avoids unnecessary conflict because respect costs nothing, but returns great value. Example, a calm response to an angry person often ends an argument before it truly begins. Law 20. Protect your independence. Do not let your happiness depend completely on people, praise, or public opinion. When your peace comes from within, no one can easily control your choices. Example, make decisions based on your values, not because others expect them. Law 21. Stay humble. There is no need to prove your intelligence. A humble person keeps learning, while someone obsessed with appearing smart stops growing. Example, asking sincere questions often teaches you more than pretending to know every answer. Law 22. Turn setbacks into strength. Not every battle deserves resistance. Sometimes patience and acceptance are signs of greater courage. A temporary step backward can prepare you for a stronger step forward. Example, losing one opportunity may lead you to a better path if you remain calm and keep improving. Final reflection. The Stoic does not seek victory over people. He seeks victory over pride, fear, anger, and impatience. Observe carefully. Speak wisely. Stay humble. Adapt to change. Protect your peace. The strongest life is built not by controlling others, but by mastering yourself every single day. Law 23. Focus your energy. A scattered mind achieves little. A focused mind moves mountains. The Stoic does not chase every opportunity. He gives his full attention to what truly matters and ignores distractions. Example, instead of starting 5 goals at once, complete one with excellence before beginning another. Law 24. Practice grace and humility. True influence comes through respect, patience, and self-control, not pride. Treat everyone with dignity. Be humble with those above you and kind to those beside you. Character always outlasts status. Example, a calm and respectful leader earns loyalty without raising his voice. Law 25. Shape your own character. Do not let society decide who you are. Every day gives you the chance to become wiser, calmer, and stronger. Build your identity through your choices, not through other people's opinions. Example, if you once lived carelessly, begin today with discipline, and let your actions create a new reputation. Law 26. Live with integrity. Keep your conscience clean. Your greatest strength is a life guided by honesty and responsibility. When mistakes happen, admit them, learn from them, and move forward without excuses. Example: a person who accepts responsibility earns more trust than one who constantly blames others. Law 27. Give people hope. People naturally look for meaning and purpose. Instead of feeding fear, inspire others through wisdom, courage, and good example. Quiet leadership changes lives more deeply than loud promises. Example: a teacher who encourages confidence often transforms students more than one who only gives instructions. Law 28. Act with courage. Fear creates hesitation. Courage creates progress. The Stoic prepares carefully, then acts without being controlled by doubt. Example: speaking the truth during a difficult moment requires courage, but it often brings lasting peace. Law 29. Think beyond today. Every choice creates tomorrow. A wise person considers the long-term results before making important decisions. Patience protects you from many regrets. Example: saving money today gives you freedom during difficult times. Law 30. Let excellence speak quietly. Real mastery looks natural because it comes from constant practice. There is no need to announce your effort. Keep improving and let your results tell the story. Example: an athlete trains for years, yet makes success appear effortless during the competition. Law 31. Guide, don't force. People respond better when they feel respected and involved. Offer guidance instead of pressure. Wisdom leads through understanding, not control. Example: a parent who patiently explains choices often teaches better than one who only gives orders. Law 32. Inspire through vision. Life is difficult enough. People are encouraged by hope, purpose, and meaningful goals. Offer truth with compassion and help others believe that improvement is always possible. Example: a mentor who shows a clear path forward gives people strength during hard times. Law 33. Understand human nature. Every person carries fears, dreams, and hidden struggles. Do not use this knowledge to control others. Use it to show empathy and build stronger relationships. Example: knowing that someone fears failure helps you encourage them instead of judging them. Law 34. Carry yourself with quiet confidence. Respect yourself without becoming proud. Walk with calm confidence, speak with purpose, and live according to your values. When you honor yourself, others naturally respect you as well. Example: a person who remains calm under pressure often appears stronger than the loudest person in the room. Law 35. Master the art of patience. A Stoic never rushes. Haste often reveals fear, while patience shows confidence. Trust that the right moment will arrive. Prepare quietly, observe carefully, and act only when the time is right. Example: a farmer does not pull on the crops to make them grow faster. He waters them and waits. Law 36. Let go of what you cannot control. Some things are simply beyond your reach. Instead of wasting energy chasing them, accept reality with peace. What you ignore often loses its power over you. Example: if someone insults you online, refusing to react protects your peace better than endless arguments. Law 37. Let your actions inspire. People remember what they see more than what they hear. Live in a way that reflects wisdom, discipline, and kindness. Your life itself becomes the strongest message. Example: a person who quietly helps others earns deeper respect than one who constantly talks about generosity. Law 38. Be wise without seeking attention. Think freely, but act with humility. You do not need to prove that you are different. True wisdom shines naturally, without demanding recognition. Example: a thoughtful person shares ideas calmly, instead of arguing to appear smarter than everyone else. Law 39. Guard your emotions. Your greatest strength is remaining calm when others lose control. Do not let anger decide your actions. A peaceful mind always sees more clearly than an emotional one. Example: during a heated discussion, the person who stays calm usually makes the best decisions. Law 40. Value what you earn. Things gained through honest effort are appreciated more deeply than things received without sacrifice. Discipline, patience, and hard work build lasting confidence. Example, a skill developed through years of practice brings greater satisfaction than quick success. Law 41. Walk your own path. Do not spend your life trying to become another person. Learn from great people, but create your own character through your own actions. Example, a musician becomes memorable by finding his own voice instead of copying someone else's style. Law 42. Solve problems at their source. Small problems often grow because their true cause is ignored. A wise person calmly identifies the root issue before taking action. Example, instead of treating repeated stress with distractions, discover what is creating the stress in the first place. Law 43. Win hearts through character. People willingly follow those who show kindness, fairness, and understanding. Influence built on trust lasts much longer than influence built on fear. Example, a manager who listens with respect earns greater loyalty than one who only gives orders. Law 44. Practice self-reflection. The greatest mirror is your own conscience. Before judging others, examine your own actions. Self-awareness is the beginning of wisdom. Example, when someone criticizes you, first ask whether there is a lesson hidden in their words. Law 45. Welcome change with wisdom. Growth is necessary, but lasting change happens one step at a time. Do not fear improvement, yet avoid trying to transform everything overnight. Consistent progress creates lasting results. Example, building healthy habits by improving one small routine each day is more effective than changing your entire life at once. Law 46. Accept your imperfections. No human being is perfect, and pretending to be only creates distance from others. The Stoic accepts his flaws without shame. He works to improve himself while remaining humble and honest. True strength comes from growth, not from appearing flawless. Example, a leader who admits a small mistake earns more trust than one who always pretends to be right. Law 47. Know when enough is enough. Success is not only about reaching your goal, it is also about knowing when to stop. Pride often whispers, just a little more wisdom answers, this is enough. Celebrate your victories with gratitude, but do not let success turn into arrogance. Self-control is the greatest victory. Example, after completing an important project successfully, instead of chasing unnecessary praise, take time to reflect, recover, and prepare for the next challenge. Law 48. Be like water. Life constantly changes, and the Stoic changes with it. Do not become so attached to one plan that you cannot adjust when circumstances change. Like water, remain calm, flexible, and impossible to break. The person who adapts without losing his values will always be stronger than the one who refuses to change. Example, if one opportunity disappears, do not complain. Improve your skills, change your approach, and move confidently toward the next opportunity. Final reflection. The Stoic's greatest power is not found in controlling other people. It is found in mastering himself. Accept your imperfections with humility. Know when enough is enough. Adapt to change without fear. Stay patient in hardship. Stay grateful in success. Stay calm in uncertainty. Because in the end, the strongest person is not the one who defeats the world, but the one who remains steady while the world keeps changing. If these timeless lessons gave you a new way to think, don't keep them to yourself. Like this video, subscribe for more Stoic wisdom, share it with someone who needs it, and leave a comment with the lesson that stayed with you the most. Until next time, stay calm, stay disciplined, and master yourself.